everybody, today I wanted to show you how to make a fork flower just like this one. You will need some wool or string, a fork, and some scissors. So, to make it, the first thing you do is chop a 2 meter or 1 or 2 meter piece of wool to start with. And then you chop 15-20 centimetres long, so about that. And then once you've done that, you'll need the fork. With the fork, there's 4 prongs, and between the 2 middle prongs, you're going to put a small piece of wool, okay, like that. And then with your big piece of wool, you put it through one of the side prongs, like I'm doing here, and then you'll start weaving it through. So, keep weaving. When you've done about 4, so about 4 rows, like I have, you can maybe let go of that one, and then you can just keep winding until you get to the top. So I've got to the top here. Here's one I made earlier. So with it, you can see I've got all the way to the top. You don't need to get quite to the top, so you can probably see I've left a little bit. And then you're going to bring those bits you had earlier to the top. Oh, first you have to cut the wool so it's short. And then you bring the bits to the top, the smaller bits on both sides, and tie them together. Once you've tied them together, you are going to just slowly push it up. If you're while you're tying the knot, if it comes loose, just cut it once it's got to the other side, because it will still work, and just push it up slowly once you've knotted it in the middle space again. And then with your 2 sides that you've got, not that one, this one I think, you're going to pull it so it makes like that shape. And then you'll push it like that, and there you have it. It makes your flower. You might want to cut off the bits like this that I have at the side, but try not to cut the loops. So maybe just cut the bits I'm cutting here. So there and there. Ooh, there. I would say you don't always want to cut these long bits, because if you want to do what I'm doing, I'm making lots of these, and then I'm tying the top together and I'm hanging it on a tree in my back garden to make little decorations. At Christmas you could also maybe make red ones, and you could have them as tree decorations. There you go, that's how to make a fork flower. Bye!